So this time we look into the intrusion detection and prevention systems. People are just as important as technical controls in protecting an organization's information assets, yet technology solutions led by policy and correctly executed are a crucial component of information security program. No? So, a few specific technologies such as firewalls, no, dial-up protection mechanism, content filtering, and virtual private networks, no, are the discussions a while ago. No? And these modules, no, we expand on that discussion by describing additional and more advanced technologies that the organization can use to improve the security of their information asset, such as intrusion detection and prevention systems. No? Meron tayong honeypot sa tinatawag, honey-nets, padded cell systems, scanning, and analysis tools and access control. An intrusion happens, no, when a malicious attacker tries to obtain access to or disturb the normal functioning of a computer system, almost often with the goal to cause harm. Even when attackers are self-propagating, such as viruses and distributed denial of service attacks, they are nearly always carried out by someone with the intent to harm an organization. The attacker is often the difference between intrusion types. Such invaders don't care which organizations they harm and desire to stay nameless, whereas others seek publicity. No? So activities that dissuade intrusions are referred to as an intrusion prevention. So writing and implementing a good enterprise information security policy, planning and executing effective information security programs, installing and testing technology-based information security countermeasures, and conducting and measuring the effectiveness, no, of employed training and awareness activities are all important, are known as intrusion detection. When an intrusion is identified, the steps taken by an organization are referred to as intrusion reaction. No? These procedures are designed to minimize the damage caused by an incursion and quickly return operations to normal. So intrusion corrective actions complete the restoration of operation to a normal conditions while attempting to determine the source and mechanism of the intrusion in order to ensure that the same sort of attack does not occur again, thus reinitiating the investigation, preventing unauthorized access. No? To comprehend IDPS operating behavior, you must first become acquainted with some basic jargon of IDPS, no? Katulad ng alert or alarm, no, evasion, false attack stimulus, no, false attack stimulus, false negative, false positive. Mayroon tayong noise, site policy awareness, true attack stimulus, no? Mayroon tuning, confidence value, alarm filtering, and alarm clustering and compaction. According to the NIST documentation on industry best practices, there are several compelling reasons to acquire and use an IDPIS. No? Of course, to prevent problem behaviors by increasing the perceived risk of discovery and punishment of those who would attack or otherwise abuse the system. To detect attacks and other security violations that are not prevented by other security measures. To detect and deal with the preambles to attack. To document the existing threat to the organization, to act as quality control for securing design and administration, especially in a large and complex enterprise, and to provide useful information about intrusions that do take place, no, allowing improved diagnosis, recovery, and corrections of causative factors. One of the most compelling reasons to install an IDPS is that it acts as a deterrent by instilling in would-be attackers a fear of detection. Internal and external users are less likely to prove or attempt to breach an organization's intrusion detection and prevention system if they are aware of it, much as criminals are less likely to break into a house with an apparent burglar alarm. So we have type of IDPS, no? Ano ba yung, baka ako IDPS na IDPS, hindi yung ibig sabihin ng IDPS. IDPS stands for Intrusion, Detection, and Preventing System. Ano pa? So nandiyan si network base, siyempre, hindi nawawala yan. Meron tayong DOS and DDoS, higher order protocols, and so on. No? Yun yung mga available sa ano. Meron tayong tatawag na wireless NIDPS. Nandiyan si physical security, sensor range, access point and wireless switch location, wired network connection, cost of course is there, no? And so on. Actually, meron tayong tinatawag na host-based IDPS. Marami pa yan. We have color coding, no? Actually, color coding is just not only for the car. No, color coding is one of the most frequent ways to organize folders in files. So, the system registry, any directories holding the OS kernel and application software are commonly marked red in critical system. Data that are vitally significant should also be placed in the red category. So support components such as device driver and other reasonably significant files are commonly labeled yellow. No? User data, on the other hand, are usually marked green, strategically less relevant. Because user data files are regularly changed, whereas system kernel files, for example, should be changed only during upgrades or installation. If the three-tier system is too straightforward, a scale of 0 to 100 can be used, with 100 representing the most mission critical and 0 representing the less vital. However, it is not uncommon for such system to cause difficulty over issues such as how to respond to intrusions at level 67 and 68, no? And so on. So, syempre, to monitor and analyze network traffic, IDPS employ a range of detection methods. So, the signature-based approach, the statistical anomaly approach, and the stateful packet inspection approach are the most popular IDPS detection methods. No? Yun yung common. What else? So I think that's it for this. And maybe sometime you may encounter the word centralized IDPS control. No? We have also, of course, fully distributed IDPS control. That is the important terminologies that we need to look into. No? If we wanted to be a data administrator, network administrator, system administrator, or a cybersecurity, ano tayo? Wala naman pang boses. Okay, so I think that's it for topic, this topic, no? So this time, I just want to hear, to share the screen of our next presenter, no?